In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for jobs on Indeed. If you want to land your next opportunity with ease, understanding how to search, filter, and apply for jobs on Indeed can make a big difference. Indeed is one of the largest job search platforms in the world, offering millions of listings across different industries. It also allows you to apply quickly, upload your resume, and stay updated on new opportunities. To get started, go to the Indeed website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your homepage, where different job postings are displayed. Instead of browsing randomly, it's better to customize the results based on your preferred role. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Enter keywords related to the job you're looking for. For example, if you're aiming for an administrative or executive assistant role, type in assistant. In the next field, enter your preferred location. If you want remote or work-from-home jobs, type in remote, then click Find Jobs. After the results load, you'll see filter options below the search bar. These help you refine the listings. For the date posted, choosing jobs from the last 24 hours can be helpful, since newer listings often have fewer applicants. You can also adjust the job type based on your preference, such as full-time or part-time. Selecting full-time will narrow the results accordingly. For company, you can choose specific employers or leave it set to all. You can also select the job language that matches your needs. Once your filters are set, scroll through the listings and choose a job that fits your skills and interests. Click on the job title to view more details, including the description, salary, requirements, responsibilities, and benefits. If the position matches what you're looking for, click Apply. This will open a new page where you can continue the application process. Complete the required fields and upload an updated resume before submitting your application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.